Hi, in this video we will discuss C++ basic syntax. Hash include IOStream using namespace std, int main, parentheses and curly braces. In the curly braces there is a body and in the end there is a return statement. Let's break that up to simplest level. First of all, hash include IOStream. This is like grabbing a toolbox. It helps you do things like showing message and taking input. Using namespace std. This is like saying I am going to use some basic tools from toolbox, so I don't have to say std each and every time. Then there is main function. This is the main part where you tell the computer what to do. It is like giving instructions. The int means you are going to give back a number when you are done. And return 0. This is like saying I am done and everything went well. For output we use cout. Imagine cout as a way to make the computer talk to you. It is like printing words on the screen. And for input we use cin. Think of cin as a way to listen to what you say to the computer. It is like giving the computer information. Let's write our first program, and don't worry, we will go through these things again and again. This button is for compiling. This one is to run. This one is for both compilation and running our program. And in the file section, here's the option of open, save and save as and many more. Let's start our coding. Hash include IOStream using namespace std, int main, cout, welcome statement, in the end return statement. Now compile and save. 0 errors. So let's run our program.